My name is Al Owens. I was in the Marine Corps from 1978 to 1982. After that, I served with the Escondido Police Department, retired as a lieutenant. What got me thinking about solar in the first place is actually my neighbor came over and he said he was getting solar, and he's going with Semper. And I said, well, solar is really expensive. He said, you better check it out. How much do you think it is? I thought it was $30,000. So he said, oh, it's a lot less now. So once he said that, I looked at our electric bills and they keep going up and up and up. So I said, let me check it out. If that's the price, let's check out and see what we can go with solar. But maybe choose Semper. Actually, my neighbor did all the work. He went through all these different companies. So I said, why am I going to go through this whole thing again? I'd heard Semper, I've heard the commercials. I know a Marine owns it. I was a Marine, so I said, you know what? I'm not going to look any further. Probably about maybe 5 to 6 weeks max that we got up. So very pleased. The installation was very smooth. I worked a lot with Trevor during this. Him and his crew, they're out here all the time, on time, because I expect from a military organization, on time. They did everything great, and I think they finished ahead of schedule as well. The customer service is outstanding. Work with Billy a lot. It's almost like I knew her. I was going back and forth with her, and then Trevor, I'd text him, and he'd get back right away with an answer. So customer service is outstanding, and I think the work was outstanding as well. We haven't gotten the first bill yet, but I can tell by the way it's producing. We learned how to use the app, so I can tell it's producing our bill. I'm hoping to be zero for the year, but if it's not, it's going to be very, very low, a lot less than what we were paying before, so I'm happy with that. I say if you're thinking about going solar, definitely I would do it. Electric bills are going to do nothing but go up. Nothing against the electric company, but they're going to work to the best of their advantage to get as much money as they can, and that money's going to come from you. Semper, from my experience, I would say I would go with Semper. Don't go looking all around for a whole bunch of things. They're going to treat you right. Customer service is going to be great, and it's just a fantastic company to work with. Semper Fi!